Welcome to the Land Treatment Exploration Tool New Features of 2022 video. I will walk you through the 4 main improvements of this release. First, we made ADA compliant improvements throughout the tool to make it more inclusive and accessible for all users. Next, we added a new monitoring tab that displays existing on-the-ground monitoring data from the Bureau of Land Management Assessment, Inventory, and Monitoring, or AIM, program. Users can search for monitoring data within a specified distance from the proposed treatment area. The map is interactive, and clicking a point will display all the AIM data available at that location. Below the map are tables that display the AIM data located within the search distance. Clicking a row will add the information to the printable PDF report that is generated from the Report tab. To view more information about a plant species, click on the plant code to open the USDA plants database. The next new feature displays time series vegetation cover data for every land treatment digital library record returned in the Results tab. This figure displays information for each vegetation cover category released by the Rangeland Condition Monitoring Assessment and Projection dataset. In addition, data on water year precipitation, wildfires, and land treatments are also included. The figure is fully interactive. Layers can be turned on and off by clicking their name. Values are displayed by hovering the cursor over a line or a bar. The last update is an improvement to the report generation feature. Now, when the print report is clicked from the Report tab, the report opens the Print to PDF window nearly instantly. Together, these updates greatly expand the accessibility, utility, and efficiency of the Land Treatment Exploration tool.